Hi everyone, I hope you guys all are safe and you're well and you're healthy. Yes, I still have the Christmas tree, but I just can't get rid of it. It makes me feel so sad to get rid of it, especially that I didn't really feel like Christmas this year, so I just feel like I have to keep it for a little bit longer, although it's already the end of January. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, today is Cam's birthday. He's actually outside in the cold, playing with his car. Yeah, I made loads of cakes. See the video. Okay, so I've decorated Cam's cake with some golden glitter, and then I've also made macarons. I mean, they're like resting and then I need to put them in the oven. These ones are gonna have like really weird shapes, but I think I'm gonna put them on the cake. We'll see. Yeah, I've made a chocolate Guinness cake, which is his favorite. I've made some macarons and I made a banana bread. And then this morning I made him some waffles and some bacon. We're probably not gonna eat all the cake, but because I made quite a lot, I'm gonna offer some to the neighbors. But yeah, anyway, nothing much happened lately. I went back to work last week, a couple of mornings, and just worked for a bit. I was quite busy actually, just talking to clients and stuff. It was really nice to get back in touch with people. But yeah, went on some runs as well. And that's pretty much it. I mean, we're in lockdown for God knows how long. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I've been doing loads of baking actually. I've been doing so much baking. I've got an Instagram channel about my baking. I'll put the link in the information of the video. Feel free to follow it if you feel like it. I really would like to develop that whole baking catering thing. I don't know, we'll see. I've had a few inquiries already, which is quite nice. I've already made a cake for Justine, who's asked me to make lemon meringue tart, and apparently she really liked it, and she's asked me to make another cake for her daughter's birthday next week, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I really enjoy it and hopefully it can lead to something more. I don't know, we'll see. I've been reading quite a lot actually as well, but other than that it's been pretty boring. The thing is, in summer at least it's nice to go out for walks or anything like that, but at the moment it's rainy and grey and very cold, very cold. It was 2 degrees earlier today. It was snowing actually for the first time today, which was really fun, but still really cold. So yeah, it doesn't really make you want to go out. Cold. Yeah, anyway, that's life here in England at the moment. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys liked that video. It was just a catch up, but yeah, it's nice to have some catch up. I'll try to make another video this week, see what I can do. But yeah, I hope you guys liked that video, and make sure to like if you did, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!